Sir, in the last video, at very top level, how you can write lambda expression for the given method. Are you in a position to understand, right? Sir, in this, I want to explain some more rules about this lambda expression, because I want to simplify the lambda expression whatever we wrote in the last video. Very simple, sir. I took one method. Okay, in the first example, I took one method which is printing hello to the console. How I write a method, sir? Public void m1, next system.out.println of hello. System.out.println of hello. Can you please tell how to convert this one into lambda expression form? You know already. Remove name, I mean access modifier, return type and method name. Are you getting? Now after removing, can you spell out what will happen in this case, sir? Just this is the part. Okay, special symbol I require to add. The remaining part system.out.println of hello. Just now I explained this part. Sir, here lambda expression, this is the body. This is the body of the lambda expression, right? Here the important point you have to aware, remember this one. In the lambda expression body, how many statements are there? How many are there? Only one statement. In the lambda expression body, if only one statement is there, then curly braces are optional. Remember this one. If the body contain multiple statements, then we require to take curly braces. If the body of lambda expression contain only one statement, then curly braces are optional. Can you please write, of course, equivalent lambda expression, sir. I'm writing once again simplified lambda expression. Bracket open, bracket close. Now, can I remove these curly braces or not? Yes. Why I am removing curly braces, sir? Because this lambda expression body contain only one statement. That's why here system.out.println of hello. That's all. Okay, sir, this lambda expression simplified to next level like this. Clear for all of it, okay? Sir, in the last video you know how to write this one. Now I want to perform some optimization. Are you getting that? More simplified lambda expression I want to write, sir. Next one, sir, just a legend. We covered example 2. What is the second example I covered? I wrote a method which can take two int values as argument, and the return, of course, and print the sum. Correct or that? It is going to take two int values, add method. It is going to print the sum. First, can you please tell how I can write that method? Public void add method I took. Public void add method. What are the arguments, right? Int a, comma, int b. Int a, comma, int b. Now, system.out.println a plus b. Like this I took, sir. System.out.println a plus b, like I took. Now the point is, let me convert into lambda expression style. You know, sir, if it is the lambda expression, this one is not applicable modifier. Return type, I can remove name also. Can you please tell how we can write, sir? What is the remaining part? What is the remaining part? Int a, comma, int b. Okay, next syntax, of course, arrow symbol. Next, after that, body system.out.println a plus b, like this. This is first level, sir. Here also you may ask, sir, here have you observed how many statements are there in the body? How many statements are there in the body? Only one statement. If only one statement is there, can I remove the curly braces or not? Yes, sir. Okay. Now I can remove these curly braces according to the first one. Sir, further simplified. Are you getting? How many? Only one statement is there. That's why I can remove. Next, very, very important point. Keep this point in your mind. A and B are what type? Two int values, right? Just I want to take these two into values and I want to print some of these two into values. That is about my requirement. A and B are what types are? Int type. Int type. Sometimes based on context, compiler can guess, okay, the types automatically. Remember this one, sir, based on the situation, based on the context, compiler can guess the types automatically. If the compiler can guess automatically, do you know this property is called type inference. Are you getting that? Maybe in the next videos, how the compiler can able to guess, that part I will discuss. Don't worry about that. If the based on the context, sometimes compiler can able to guess the types automatically. If the compiler can guess automatically the types based on the context, you can remove these types also. Remember this one. Are you getting right? So if I remove the types, do you know right what is the equivalent lambda expression, sir? Just observe this one. Can you spell out? Just a comma b, okay. Now system dot out dot println a plus b. Are you getting a comma b, system dot out dot println a plus b. Just observe, this is the method, sir. In the method, how much code I wrote? A big code I wrote. But whenever I am converting into lambda expression, how much code is there? Just only one line. Are you getting? So unnecessary things we are not required to write in the lambda expression, so that more concise, readable code by default we can able to write by using lambda expressions. In the last videos I told what is the biggest advantage of lambda expression. We can write more concise code. Readability is by default is going to be improved, because we are not required to write each and everything, sir. Only required things only we require to write. Everyone can able to understand. This is what you people should very clearly write. Next, let me go for, of course, in the first example, we covered if lambda expression body contain only one statement, then curly braces are optional. Okay. In the second one, we covered if the compiler can aware the types, compiler can guess the types automatically based on context. But how the compiler can guess, that part in the next examples we will discuss, sir. If the compiler can guess the types automatically based on the context, then we can remove the types also. After removing the types, obviously how this lambda expression looks like, observe that. Everyone can able to understand, right? Okay. Next, I'm ready to go for third example. There some more new things you people are going to get, sir. What is that third example? Can you spell out what is our third example we covered, sir? The third example, if I provide string value, I have to get its length. That's about my requirement, right? How I can do that? Okay, write a method public int get length. Public int get length of string s. This is the method, sir. Public int get length of string s. What I have to return? Return s dot length. This is about my requirement, sir. Public int get length, return s dot length. I require to take like this. Make sure, sir. Can you please tell how to convert this lambda expression into how to convert this method into lambda expression? I covered already. Sir, can I remove modifier? Yes. Can I remove return type? Yes. Can I remove method name? Yes, obviously. Then what is the remaining, sir? Now observe, string s gives, okay, here curly brace open, return s dot length. Okay. Sir, is it possible for further simplification? Yeah, you should be in a position to tell, sir. Is it possible or not? Yes, because the body itself contain how many lines? Only one line. If only one line, curly braces are mandatory or optional? Curly braces are optional. We are not required to take. I can remove curly braces. Point number 1. Based on the context, if the compiler can remove, if the compiler can guess the type automatically by type inference, then I can remove type also. Is it clear, right? Okay. Now, can you please tell how your lambda expression looks like? Sir, very simple. S gives return, what is this one, son? Return S dot length. Return S dot length. Sir, further simplification, take a bit special care. Anyway, this method return something based on situation. Compiler can able to guess. If just I'm writing something, it's going to be return line. We are not required to write return keyword explicitly, sir. Are you getting? We are not required to write return keyword explicitly. Can you please tell how the lambda expression looks like? S gives S dot length. That's all. Sir, take a bit very special care. If the body contain only one statement, I can return curly braces. If the compiler guess the type based on the context, I can remove the type also. If you are return something, compiler can able to guess automatically. Return we are not required to use. Up to this is the clear, right? Still some more simplification I want to do, sir. What I want to do is, my lambda expression can take how many input values? How many input values? Only one input value. If it is taking only one input value, only one parameter is there, then these parentheses are also optional. We are not required to take, sir. Now, this lambda expression looks like the most simplified form of lambda expression. Of course, in this is S gives S dot length. Are you getting right? S gives S dot length. That's all. Sir, if a method, if you want to return the length of the string, can you please write a Java method? How much code I require to write, sir? But if I convert the same thing into lambda expression, what is the equivalent lambda expression? Just S gives S dot length. Sir, the length of the code, how much is simplified? Are you able to understand, right? Sir, that's all. These are various rules are there to simplify lambda expressions, right? Sir, up to this is very clear for all of you, right? So, what is lambda expression? How you can write lambda expression? Can you please tell lambda expression writing is very easy or not? Yes, obviously, nursery standard concepts are. If you know how to write a Java method, automatically you aware how you can write lambda expressions also. Okay, clear, right? Next, my lambda expression should not have any method, should not have any return type, should not have any modifier, should not have any name. Clear, right? Next, if the lambda expression body contain only one statement, curly braces are optional. If body contain multiple statement, compulsory we have to take curly braces, right? Next, second, if the compiler guess the types automatically based on the context, I can able to remove these types, right? Okay. Now, after removing the types, now how the lambda expression looks like? Now, observe. What is the next one, sir? If the lambda expression returns something, compiler can able to guess automatically. We are not required to write return. First point. If only one parameter is there, if the lambda expression can take only one input value, then parenthesis also optional. Then simple S gives S dot length. Sir, by seeing last example, have you observed, right? If it is a normal Java method, how much code I require to write? How much code I require to write? If it is a lambda expression, how much code I require to write? Observe that. So, the biggest advantage of lambda expression is we can resolve complexity. We can write very concise code. Automatically, do you know, readability of the code by default is going to be improved. But only problem is you have to habitize this new type of coding. Clear for all of you, right? Okay? That's all. Now, in the next I will talk about what are various characteristics or properties of lambda expressions. Okay?